Let's now introduce the main interface of the SG04. On the main interface, these four windows correspond to 4 channels respectively. Real-time measurement data and the corresponding measurement mode will be displayed in the window. The top status bar displays time, temperature, and battery level. On the right is the menu bar, featuring mode selection, system settings, and data search. Click to enter mode selection. From left to right are the settings for channel 1 to channel 4 respectively. You can use the arrow keys to select measurement modes, strain, stress, weighing mode, or turn off the channel. Now enter system settings. Time and date, long press the number for 3 seconds to customize the time. Brightness, slide the slider to adjust the brightness. Language, select the language according to your usage needs. Volume, set whether the buttons make a sound. Communication, to perform data transmission, turn on the USB switch in communication settings and set the baud rate to 256,000 or 115,200. Power off, turn on the switch to set the auto shutdown time to 15, 30, 45 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours.